Everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add an Outlook account to Mozilla Thunderbird in 2026. This lets you manage your Outlook email from the Thunderbird desktop application. So let's get started. First, open Mozilla Thunderbird and go to the Account Setup section. Choose the option to add a new email account. Enter your name, your Outlook email address, and your account password. Thunderbird will usually detect the correct Outlook server settings automatically. Continue with the setup and allow Thunderbird to check the configuration. For most users, IMAP is useful because it keeps messages synchronized between Thunderbird and other devices. Depending on your account security settings, you may be asked to complete a Microsoft sign-in process. Enter your Outlook account details and follow any verification steps that appear. If Microsoft asks you to approve access for Thunderbird, review the permission request and continue if you want to connect the account. Once the sign-in process is complete, Thunderbird will connect to your Outlook account. Your inbox and other folders may begin syncing automatically. Give the application some time to complete the initial synchronization. If your account contains many messages, the first sync may take a little longer. After everything is connected, you can send and receive Outlook messages directly from Thunderbird. You can also organize folders and manage your email from the same application. And that's how to add an Outlook account to Mozilla Thunderbird. The setup is straightforward, and once connected, you can manage your email more conveniently from your desktop. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching. Hey,